Eschewing the acerbic tone used in his previous reviews of Kingsley's works, Clarke was far more blank in his latest article, balancing the curmudgeonly with the avuncular. Now, this is a very difficult sentence equivalence question. There are many tough vocab words in the sentence itself. Starting off with eschewing. Eschewing means to avoid. Acerbic is bitter. So he's avoiding the bitter tone here. Now, the sentence is also complex because you may jump to the conclusion that, okay, so we're going for a word that is the opposite of bitter and hostile. However, the clue that comes after the comma here says that he's balancing. And if you know curmudgeonly, it kind of means, well, it means grouchy, and curmudgeon is likely to be acerbic. You can see he still has a little bit of the acerbic tone, but he's balancing it with something that's a little bit nicer, to be avuncular, to be kind of kind and generous, just like an uncle. So kind of friendly like an uncle, but also a little bit grouchy and acerbic. But the key is the balance. And that's why we want a word like equitable, fair, and balanced. So more balanced. Balance the two. And even-handed. He's being balanced. He's not just being a grouch, but he's being nice at times as well. We do not want forthright, which means honest. Why? Well, it's not quite the opposite of acerbic anyway, but we don't even want the opposite of acerbic. We want to catch the idea of a word that means balancing, being both positive and negative. So we can get rid of forthright. Now you may think, hey, but what about ambivalent? Doesn't that mean being both positive and negative? Well, that's in terms of your own feelings. The way you're on the inside, you have mixed emotions about something. But he's not. He's balancing. He's trying to be both nice and not so nice. So ambivalent doesn't work. Demonstrative just means to be open in the sense of your emotions, to show how you feel. But that doesn't capture the idea of balancing the nice with the not so nice. Ingenuous just means naive. That doesn't work. So again, equitable. You are balanced. Even-handed, you are, again, balanced. And that matches up, of course, with this word. And there we have our solutions to this difficult sentence equivalence.